A bright drink replaces breakfast, then lunch. By the next morning, the scale may move, the stomach may feel emptier, a person may even feel lighter. That experience can be real. But does it prove that toxins left the body? No. A visible change is not automatically evidence for the explanation printed on the bottle. To know whether a detox drink works, we first need to ask what detox is supposed to mean. In medicine, a toxin or harmful substance is specific. It has a name, an exposure, a measurable amount, and a treatment chosen for that substance. Consumer detox marketing is often much less precise. It may promise to flush impurities, reset the body, or remove a mysterious buildup without identifying a single chemical. That creates a basic problem. If nobody names the substance, nobody can measure how much was present before the drink, how much remained afterward, or whether the drink caused a meaningful change. A vague claim can feel scientific while remaining impossible to test. The body does not wait for a green juice to begin processing waste. The liver transforms many substances so they can be used or eliminated. The kidneys continuously filter blood, return needed materials, balance water and minerals, and move wastes into urine. The lungs remove carbon dioxide, and the digestive system carries other material out of the body. This does not mean the body is invulnerable. Organs can become ill, and genuine poisoning requires real medical care. It means that detoxification is not one magical pathway that an unspecified drink can simply switch on. Different substances follow different pathways. A credible claim must explain which one it changes. Researchers have found surprisingly little strong clinical evidence for commercial detox programs. Reviews describe small studies, weak methods, missing control groups, and outcomes that often do not measure toxin removal at all. Some programs report weight loss or changes in general blood markers. Those findings do not prove that a harmful substance was removed. And when a program combines a special drink with fasting, calorie restriction, supplements, and laxatives, it becomes difficult to know which part caused any observed change. The evidence does not support the broad promise that detox drinks cleanse the body of unspecified toxins. So why can a cleanse feel as if it is working? First, drinking more fluid can help someone who is mildly dehydrated feel better. Second, replacing meals with low-calorie drinks can reduce energy intake. Stored carbohydrate is used, and some of the water associated with it is released. Less food also means less material moving through the digestive system. Third, some detox teas and powders contain laxative or diuretic ingredients. More bowel movements or urination can make the scale fall temporarily. But stool and water leaving the body are not evidence that an unnamed toxin was removed. And temporary fluid loss is not the same as fat loss. The experience may be genuine while the marketing explanation is wrong. A drink can still be useful without performing a detox. Water hydrates. A smoothie can provide fruit, vegetables, protein, or fiber, depending on its ingredients. A fortified beverage may provide particular nutrients. Those are ordinary, testable properties. The word detox adds a much bigger claim, and that claim needs separate evidence. It also matters what the drink replaces. A balanced meal replaced by juice alone may provide less protein, fat, fiber, or total energy than a person needs. The front of the bottle does not tell us the whole nutritional story. Restrictive cleanses can cause hunger, fatigue, dizziness, or inadequate nutrition. Laxative or diuretic ingredients can contribute to diarrhea, dehydration, and disturbances in electrolytes. Some herbal ingredients can interact with medicines. Unpasteurized juices can carry infection risk. Certain high oxalate juice patterns may be unsafe for people prone to kidney stones or kidney problems. People who are pregnant, have diabetes, kidney or heart disease, take regular medication, or have a history of disordered eating should be especially cautious and seek qualified medical advice before attempting a restrictive cleanse. And if someone believes they have been poisoned, a commercial drink is not an appropriate substitute for urgent medical or poison control guidance. Before buying a detox drink, pause and ask 5 questions. First, what exact substance does it claim to remove? Second, how was that substance measured before and after use? Third, was the drink tested against a suitable comparison in humans? Fourth, could the apparent result be explained by fewer calories, more fluid, a laxative, a diuretic, or expectation? Fifth, what are the ingredients, doses, interactions, and risks for me? Notice what this test does. It turns a feeling into a claim, and a claim into something that can be checked. If the answers remain vague, do not let a dramatic color, scientific-looking bottle, or personal testimonial fill in the missing evidence. So do detox drinks really work? They can hydrate, they can contain nutrients, they can reduce calorie intake, some can increase urination or bowel movements, but those effects do not demonstrate removal of unspecified toxins. The best available evidence does not support broad detox claims, and some products or restrictive programs can cause harm. The cautious conclusion is simple. Judge the drink by its actual ingredients and measurable nutritional effects, not by the word detox.